The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect, and right about now I have a video to show you that some persons on social media says that this is an unbelievable event, right? And this is about an motor vehicle accident, right? Like two motor vehicles collided, right? One is a truck and the other is a car, right? So two vehicles collided, and viewers and subscribers, the greatest part of it is that everyone is still alive, right? And I'm just guessing that that's why a lot of persons says that it is unbelievable as to how it had happened. All right, now I'm going to show you this video so that you can have a look at it, but please bear in mind that this video is about a accident, right? Which is motor vehicle accidents. You see what I'm saying to you? So two vehicles collided, and for those who can't handle seeing things like this, the following video might not be suitable for everyone. The viewer's discretion is advised. All right, take a look at it and then we'll talk a little more about it. Observe.
Hey, what's wrong? What the fuck you doing, man? What the fuck you doing, man? What the fuck you doing?
I honestly didn't see him.
You didn't see him?
I didn't see him.
Yeah, you have to film because he's driving there. This man got killed.
You don't need to film it, sir.
Of course, it's evidence, It's evidence. I saw him like you
Put him from a mine.
You're mad, man.
Put him from a mine. So if you pull over, I'll explain all things. Are you alright, though, yeah? Are you okay?
Viewers and subscribers, me look at this and I said to myself, maybe the truck driver, just couldn't see the car, because a truck is a high thing, the truck is like up here, and the driver is sitting way up there, you see what I say? And, I always notice that, you see me? So for small units on the road, like a car or say like a motorbike, you have to be careful. You have to be careful when you're riding or driving, around trucks. Use your hand. Make sure that the truck driver see you, because trust me, I look on this video and I say to myself, give thanks that everybody alright, because I've seen videos out there where a truck ran over vehicles. You see what I said to you? You have to give thanks that everyone is alright in this one. You see? Alright? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I bring this video so that you can have a look at it, and you can also tell me what you think, alright? Some persons on social media says that this is an unbelievable motor vehicle accident, some persons call it an unbelievable event, But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you don't know me there, so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what go on. This video is out on social media where it's getting somewhat of a buzz. I'm gonna leave it with you, my viewers and subscribers, So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments and let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.